Camatic Seating was founded in Victoria, Australia in 1964 and supplies some of the world's most iconic stadium and theatre venues. Sydney Opera House, SoFi Stadium, Wimbledon and many more. We've done a lot of NFL stadiums in the US. We're becoming the preferred NFL seating supplier. My name's Jamal Case. Mainly I'm responsible for getting the project from concept to delivery, from planning to procurement to through manufacturing and then out to dispatch. Being a global seating solution provider located predominantly in Australia, we have to be competitive in a market where our competitors are much closer to their customers. Previously our forecasting would be quite a long analysis process within Excel, potentially prone to manual error. The process now with the Infor solution in place has allowed us to get better forecast accuracy, which allows us to better match our production capacity with our requirements. The Infor solution was able to draw data from our HubSpot CRM daily via an API call within Ion, and that data was then taken up into the data lake. Coleman would do monthly predictions on that data as it came in, and then that raw data and the Coleman predictions were presented to us in a burst report.
My name's Steve Van Winkle and I'm the Operations Director at Camatic. My role, I'm responsible for looking after everything after the sales guys have won the task. So everything from there all the way through to delivery and installation. We wanted to use the data that we currently capture in our CRM system and gather some insights from that as to what are the key metrics that actually drive success and help us, win more work. Some of the data that goes into our CRM, there could be too much information in some areas which has very little impact on whether you win or lose.
Applying artificial intelligence with Coleman AI to our CRM data, we cut through the noise and obtain a win prediction. This insight helps Camatic ensure we are devoting precious resources to the right targets and in line with our forecast goals.
The main benefit is actually an increase in our win rates by around about 5% from what we quote. That could be an extra $5 million per annum or $10 million per annum, depending on how much is in the funnel at the time.
So if Camatic is unable to select the right vendor and we are delayed in our ability to deliver to the client, then obviously they're unable to open their cinema on time or they're unable to open their stadium on time, resulting in further downstream cost to the client, which often would get passed back onto us. AI-driven vendor performance tool has allowed us to select the correct supplier really with greater precision, but also in less time. We are able to actually go back to those vendors and negotiate better contracts for pricing and supply because we understand their performance capabilities. We have an LN on-premise ERP solution and we have another LN solution in cloud multi-tenant, and so the data from both of those has been drawn up into the cloud data lake, of which then Coleman AI analyses the data of the vendor performance and categorises the vendors into 5 distinct grades, are presented on a screen in a burst report which the users can access daily or they can access ad hoc as much as they like. Being able to implement this solution not only saves our internal staff time in their daily work, but it also delivers real value to our business, being able to deliver products to our customer on time and within cost.